Dear friends, welcome to weekly view on markets. Markets pulled back from lower levels on Thursday and Friday and staged a good upward move on Thursday. This was because of the Fed meeting in US on Wednesday night, and Fed chairman gave a good commentary about the interest rates in US rates and about the US economic growth. That led to a rally in all the global markets, and on Thursday and Friday, we have seen good rally in Indian markets also. Mid cap and small cap stocks bounced back as they went through a sharp correction in last 2 to 3 weeks. Most of the sectors ended in green in this week. The data indicate that DIIs have bought at lower levels. Fear in the market has come down substantially, as indicated by India Weeks, which has dropped by more than 10%. Next week has two trading holidays and there are only three trading days in the week. Market is expected to be range bound in the next week due to the financial year end, that is the ending of March month, and also few trading days. Now let us look at indices performance during this week. Nifty has closed at 22,096 with a gain of 73 points. That is 0.33% gain for the week. Bank Nifty gained about 269 points. That is a gain of 0.5% and closed at 46,863. Mid cap and small cap indices outperformed. Both of them gained about 1.4%. Mid cap index closed at 47,312. Small cap index closed at 15,056. India VIX has dropped by more than 10%. That is showing that the fear in the market, which was prevailing for last 2 to 3 weeks due to sharp correction, has subsided. So India VIX is at 12.22 now. Now let us look at sectoral performances. Most of the sectors were in the green, except information technology, NBFC, and FMCG sector. Information technology sector lost around 6.17%. This is because Cognizant has announced their result, and they have given a very pessimistic outlook for next 6 months. Due to this, all IT sector stocks corrected, and IT sector has lost around 6.17%. Realty sector gained the most, that is more than 5%. Auto sector gained around 4.23%. Manufacturing gained about 3.17%. PSU stocks gained about 2.82%. Commodities gained more than 2%. Infra, PSU banks, media, oil and gas consumption all gained more than 1.2% this week. There were more advancing stocks than declining stocks. Overall, market breadth was positive. The buying was seen almost in all sectors except the information technology. Now let us look at technical charts. This is a daily chart of Nifty. We can see Nifty is trading in a upward trending channel. I have drawn these two lines which makes the trending channel. It is a upward trending channel, and Nifty is likely to continue in this channel. And Nifty has closed about 22,000 level, which is a good sign. So next Nifty is expected to maintain about 22,000 level, and after March, that is after next week, market will start looking at the quarterly results of the last quarter, the quarter ending on March. So in the meantime, market is likely to trade in this band shown by these two lines. This is a chart of Nifty mid cap index. Mid cap index has strong support at around 46,000 to 46,500 levels, as shown by this support line. And we can see several times whenever it is crossing or going towards 49,000, there is a selling coming. Several times we have seen this. So around 49,000 level seems to be a resistance for Nifty mid cap index. And next week, the mid cap index is likely to keep its upward momentum. This is the chart of Nifty small cap index. Small cap index has got good support at around 14,000 to 14,500 levels. If due to any reason small cap index falls to around 14,000 level, that will be a good level to buy good quality small cap stocks. And small cap has a resistance at around 15,000 levels. So if it crosses 15,000 level, it has just closed at around these levels. If it crosses this, we will see a good big up move in Nifty small cap index. This is a chart of Bank Nifty index. Bank Nifty index is forming a type of wedge. This kind of reducing pattern is called a wedge. So if there is a breakout at around 48,000, that is breakout above this wedge, we'll see very good momentum in Bank Nifty. Maybe this will happen when the bank starts announcing March quarter results. That is maybe sometime towards the end of April. I see Bank Nifty going about 48,000, and after that we'll see a sharp up move in Bank Nifty. And if Bank Nifty drops at around 46,000 level, that is a good support level. Investors can look at buying good quality banks at these levels. Now let us look at some of the market fundamentals. Markets have seen about 2 or 3 weeks of correction in the past, and this week from Monday to Wednesday, market was consolidating, and there was some correction in mid and small cap sector. But after the US Fed meeting, US chairman has announced the policy decision that has lifted the spirits of the market, not only in India but all the global markets. And Indian markets staged a smart recovery on Thursday and Friday. So what the US Fed chairman has told, he has told that in US economy is doing well. There is no chance of recession as it was predicted earlier. The economy is doing well, and from here on, they will be cutting the interest rates. At least three interest rates cut will be there in next 1 year. On that is total 0.75% interest rate cut is expected in next 1 year. So these comments were taken as very positive by all the markets. That is how we have seen rally in the Indian markets. One more thing that he has told is that the US Inflation is also under control and it is expected to come down in coming months. All these put together has given a boost to the markets. Composite PMI for India has come at 61.3. This is a very good number. It shows that Indian economy is in the expansion mode and it is expanding. And the latest news is that coal production in India has touched a all-time high level. So the core sectors are growing well. That is good for Indian economy. RBI forex reserves has touched highest levels. That is 642.5 billion in last several years. This is one of the highest levels of RBI for forex reserves. That is also a good news for the economy. INR US rate is at 83.43 per dollar. Dollar index is at 104.11. Brent crude price is at 84.94 per barrel. The crude price going up is a little bit of a concern for Indian economy. Gold price is going up. It has touched 66,000 and closed at 65,870 for 10 grams 24 carat. The demand for gold is also seems to be quite strong. FIIs sold 8,364 crore in this week in equity, but DIIs have bought a huge quantity of 19,351 crore in equity during this week. So every dip in the market is being used by DIIs to buy big quantities. So that is why I call this market as a buy on dip market. Investors have to use correction to buy good quality stocks. Investment in large cap stocks and large cap mutual fund is preferred at this point of time. There seems to be more value in the large cap stocks as they have not done up a lot in last 1.5 2 years. So the flavor of the season seems to be the large cap stocks. Investors should also keep in the risk to the markets due to the several geopolitical developments happening across the globe. Mutual fund investors should continue their SIPs. If the market corrects, they will get more number of units. And again, after the correction, when the market goes up, they are able to accumulate more number of units during correction, which will give a very good return in the long run. So mutual fund investors should continue their SIPs. This is all for this week. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, give your comments. We'll meet again next week. Thank you.